heading down here in this sunsetted evening to the unit. I'm gonna go be getting it cleaned and ready for the next guest that's coming tomorrow. And yeah, so let me bring y'all with me. So let's get on down here, girl. You can see the sun is setting, and it's a beautiful evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Alicia. Today I'm bringing you guys along with me as I clean one of my short-term rental units, and this is a nighttime clean, which is a little different for me. I came down here to get this unit ready for my next guest, which is arriving on tomorrow, and I wanted to make sure that it was spick and span and squeaky clean and dust free for their arrival. So if you like this type of video, definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell so that you can be notified next time I post. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Before I forget, I wanted to take the time to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I'm so excited to have you on my channel. It's been a journey. I've been doing YouTube for quite a few years now, and I took a break and I came back, but I'm so excited and so motivated to put out a lot of new content for you all and just get back into my creative space. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing and staying tuned to this channel. I hope you enjoy what you have subscribed to, and I really appreciate you being a part of the family. So let's stay tuned.
But kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like
What? Stay on right.
yesterday. Something in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different. You wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, your little drama's got me mad, and I don't need to tell you facts. You know I always want you back, girl. I could give you a big bad surprise. Let you take your time. Sure you wanna die. Treat me nice and I'll save you a slice. Baby, it's time to slide. Do you wanna try? No, it's true. It's what we do. Yeah, I know. It's true. It's what we do. Yeah.
First of all, I got no regrets, but a twisting and turning, got no success. I remember the first time that we two met, the loving, the chugging, can't forget.